In the last video, we have discussed how to write Lewis structures for molecules as well as for ions. After writing Lewis structure, we can find the charge on each atom, whether it is a molecule or ion, and that is known as formal charge. Which is now our topic is formal charge. To calculate formal charge on each atom, we use this formula. To find formal charge on a given atom is equal to number of valence electrons of that atom minus number of electrons in lone pair, means unshared electrons which are present on that atom, minus half the number of bonding electrons, means number of shared electrons around that atom. Formal charge is equal to V, that is number of valence electrons, minus number of electrons in lone pair minus half the number of shared pair of electrons. To understand this, we'll take the example of ozone molecule. As this topic is linked with the previous one, that is why first of all we have to write the Lewis structure for it. And following the steps which we have discussed there, that first of all we have to find the total number of valence electrons in the atoms. Now here 3 atoms are involved. In one of the oxygen atoms there are 6 valence electrons. अगर एक ऑक्सीजन एटम में 6 है तो सेकंड में भी 6 होंगे, थर्ड में भी 6 होंगे, मींस इन ऑल हमारे पास 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टू राइट द स्केलेटल स्ट्रक्चर. देयर आर 3 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स. So suppose if we write them like this, 3 oxygen atoms, and following the next step that connect them with one bond. एक bond के साथ हमने इनको connect कर दिया. Now after doing this, we have used 4 electrons. Means 4 electrons are used here. So we are left with 14 electrons only. Now we have to arrange these 14 electrons in such a way कि सभी ऑक्सीजन एटम्स के अराउंड 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अरेंज हो जाए. नाउ इफ वी अरेंज देम लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 एंड 14. अब अगर हमने इन्हें ऐसे अरेंज कर दिया तो इस तरह करने से इस ऑक्सीजन के अराउंड भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए, इसके अराउंड भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए, लेकिन मिडिल वाले के अराउंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही हैं. सो इसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए कोई भी एक ऑक्सीजन एटम अपना एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ शेयर कर देगा. और वी कैन से दैट वील शो द अरेंजमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द ल्यूइस स्ट्रक्चर in such a way that 2 electrons from any of the oxygen atoms will be shared here. जैसे इसका हमने यहाँ शो कर दिया, ऐसे ही अगर इसका ना करते तो हम ये वाला एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर यहाँ शो कर सकते थे in order to have octet around this oxygen atom also. क्योंकि ल्यूइस ने यही कहा था कि एटम्स अपने आप को ऐसे अरेंज करते हैं और अटैच करते हैं कि उनकी वैलेंस शेल में ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो जाए. So now they have the electrons, they are arranged in such a way कि सभी के around 8 electrons complete हो गए. Now after doing this, we have to find the formal charge. For this, if we write the numbers in these oxygen atoms, just in order to differentiate कि कौन सा oxygen atom है और हम किसके ऊपर formal charge calculate कर रहे हैं. Now using this formula, formal charge for first oxygen atom. According to the formula, here it is number of valence electrons of the atom. अब ऑक्सीजन में कितने वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं? 6. Next was number of electrons in lone pairs. Lone pairs means the pair of electrons which are not used in the bond formation. Now here are 1 2 3 4. 4 electrons are not getting used. Means 2 pairs are not used in bond formation. और उन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स को जो बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में यूज नहीं होते उनको हम लोन पेयर्स कहते हैं. अब यहाँ लोन पेयर्स में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज 4. इन द फॉर्मूला द नेक्स्ट इज माइनस हाफ द नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, मींस इस ऑक्सीजन के अराउंड कितने शेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. तो यहाँ 1 2 3 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर shared. So half the number of shared electrons. Now on calculating it, 6 minus 4 minus 2, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. And here also अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर में भी देखें तो ये कोवलेंट बॉन्ड बना रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ द कोवलेंट बॉन्ड इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर वैसे भी कोई चार्ज नहीं आना चाहिए था. In the same way, if we have to calculate formal charge on second oxygen atom, formal charge on second oxygen atom, using the formula again, number of valence electrons on this oxygen atom, they are again 6, minus number of electrons in lone pair. Here lone pair is 1, so total number of electrons in it are 2, minus half the number of shared pair of electrons around this oxygen atom. Now how many shared electrons are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of shared electrons, they are 6. On calculating it, 6 minus 5, that is equal to plus 1. So this is the formal charge on second oxygen atom. Similarly for third oxygen atom, again using the formula, number of valence electrons, they will be 6, minus number of lone pair of electrons, electrons in lone pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, minus half the number of bonding electrons. अब इसके अराउंड 2 ही electrons bonded हैं, so 2 here. On solving it, 6 minus 6 minus 1, that is minus 1. Means the charge on this oxygen atom will be 0, charge on this oxygen atom will be plus 1 and charge on this oxygen atom will be minus 1. So in this way we can find the charge on each atom after writing the Lewis structure for the molecule. In the same way we can write it for ion also. For this, if we consider nitrite ion, we know the formula for nitrite ion is NO2 negative. Again, first of all we have to write the Lewis structure. For writing the Lewis structure, we have to find the total number of valence electrons. Nitrogen is having atomic number 7, valence electrons will be 5 plus 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen and how many oxygen atoms? 2. Plus it is having 1 negative charge, means 1 extra electron is present with it. So we will add 1 electron here. Total here we get is 18 electrons. 12 plus 5, 17, 17 and 1, 18. Now next step was to write the less electronegative element in the center surrounded by the more electronegative elements. So nitrogen is less electronegative as compared to oxygen. So we will write nitrogen in the center and oxygen on its sides. Next step is to attach them with a single bond. By doing this, what we have done, we have used 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. अब इसमें से 4 electrons use हो गए. Now we are left with 14 electrons. Again, we have to arrange these 14 electrons in such a way that they all will acquire 8 electrons in their outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. But now the same problem is that इसके around भी 8 electrons, इसके around भी 8 electrons, but around nitrogen there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electrons. Again, for the completion of the octet of nitrogen, we have to draw one bond here. एक bond यहाँ draw होकर अब nitrogen के around भी 2, 2, 4, 2, 6 and 2, 8. इसके around भी 8 electrons और इसके around भी 8 electrons. Now this is the Lewis structure for nitrite ion. Now we have to find the formal charge on each atom. For this अब वहां हमारे पास तीनों ऑक्सीजन एटम थे, यहाँ एक नाइट्रोजन है, तो वील नंबर देम एज 1 and 2 ओनली. फॉर दिस form a charge on first oxygen atom. Formula is number of valence electrons, that is 6, minus number of electrons in lone pairs 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus half the number of shared electrons 1, 2, 3 and 4. So formal charge will be 6 minus 6, that is 0. For the formal charge on second oxygen atom, here number of valence electrons 6, minus number of electrons in lone pairs, again 6, minus half the number of shared electrons, that is 2, again 6 minus 7, that is minus 1. Coming to nitrogen, formal charge on nitrogen. Number of valence electrons, here नाइट्रोजन में वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होते हैं 5, माइनस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन लोन पेयर, दैट इज 2, माइनस हाफ द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स which are bonded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 5, that is 0. So in this way we can find the formal charge on each atom after writing the Lewis structure. Thank you.